Hello students, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Today we will discuss an important topic of class 8 science, it is friction. And in last class we discussed what is friction, what is the cause of friction, and now we will discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Students, you can see that I wrote a line, friction is a necessary evil. Means it is necessary and at the same time it is evil also. Why? So we will compare advantage and disadvantage of friction. So if we talk about first advantage of friction, walking is possible due to friction. If we are having friction, proper grip between our foot and floor, then we can walk. So walking is possible due to friction. And when we walk on the floor, the sole of our shoes gets wear away and it gets damaged. This is the disadvantage of the friction. Second advantage, if we talk about writing on paper, board is due to friction. Students, if we write on the board with the help of chalk or we write on the paper, then there must be grip, there must be force should be acting on the irregularities of the paper and the tip of the pen. So this is writing on a paper is possible, writing on a paper or board is possible due to friction. And if we talk about third advantage, if we can hold things due to friction. Friction helps us to hold the things. We can make proper grip between if I am holding this chalk, this is due to friction. It enables us to light a matchstick. We can rub matchstick on the chemical pasted on it and it can burn, and due to the frictional force. It enables us to cut wood with saw. We can apply force on wood with the help of saw and cut it into parts when there is friction. Brakes of vehicles work on due to it. Braking system. If road is slippery, then it is difficult to apply brakes. So friction helps us to applying brakes. Nails can be fixed due to it. So all these are examples of friction. So due to friction we can, due to this, these are the advantages of friction. And if we talk about disadvantages, so as we discussed first, it wears away sole of our shoes. Similarly, in case of vehicles, tires of vehicle wear out gradually due to friction, and we have to change tires timely, and it costs a lot. Friction wears out rubbing machine parts. Machines gets wear and tear when their parts are in touch with each other and they are moving. Due to friction, they gets damaged, and it produces heat. Friction produces heat. As we discussed, when we rub our hands we feel heat. So when parts are in contact, machinery parts are in contact, and the friction produces heat, so it can damage machines also. Students, efficiency of machines means ratio of output and input is efficiency, and this efficiency reduces. Machine can't perform as much work as it is supposed to be when its heating effect of friction damages the efficiency of machines. It slows down the motion. If we wish to roll the ball on the floor, or if we are moving on the floor, or if we are having a vehicle and it is going on the road, due to friction, fuel has to be burnt and we have to apply force to overcome that friction. Friction always opposes the motion, so it slows down the motion and it consumes disadvantages of friction. So friction is at the same time is friend of ours and enemy also. Thank you.